Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video on reducing your intake of processed foods for better digestive health. Processed foods have become a ubiquitous part of our modern diet, and unfortunately, they often lack the nutrients our bodies need for optimal health. In this video, we will discuss 10 tips that can help you reduce your intake of processed foods and improve your digestive health. These tips range from reading food labels to experimenting with new recipes, and they can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. So, whether you are looking to make small changes or completely overhaul your diet, these tips will be beneficial for you. Let's get started. 1. Read food labels. This tip is essential when trying to reduce your intake of processed foods. Reading food labels can give you a better understanding of what you are consuming and can help you make more informed decisions about the foods you buy. When reading food labels, focus on the ingredients list and look for foods that have fewer ingredients and recognizable names. If there are long lists of chemical names that you don't recognize, it's a sign that the food is highly processed and may not be the best choice for your health. By reading food labels, you can become more aware of what you're putting into your body and make healthier choices for your digestive health. 2. Cook from scratch. Cooking from scratch is an excellent way to reduce your intake of processed foods and improve your digestive health. When you cook from scratch, you have complete control over what goes into your food, allowing you to avoid additives, preservatives, and other harmful chemicals that are often found in processed foods. By using fresh, whole ingredients, you can ensure that you are getting all the essential nutrients your body needs for optimal health. Additionally, cooking from scratch can be a fun and rewarding experience that allows you to experiment with new recipes and flavors. So, next time you're planning your meals, try to incorporate more fresh, whole ingredients and cook from scratch as much as possible. Your digestive health will thank you. 3. Choose whole foods. Choosing whole foods is an excellent way to improve your digestive health and reduce your intake of processed foods. Whole foods are minimally processed and retain their natural nutrients, fiber, and other essential compounds that promote good health. Examples of whole foods include fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. By incorporating more whole foods into your diet, you can improve your digestive health by increasing your fiber intake, promoting healthy gut bacteria, and reducing inflammation. Additionally, whole foods are generally lower in calories and added sugars compared to processed foods, making them an excellent choice for weight management. So, next time you're grocery shopping, try to focus on whole foods and incorporate them into your meals as much as possible. Your digestive health will thank you. 4. Limit sugary drinks. Limiting your intake of sugary drinks is an essential step towards better digestive health. Drinks such as soda, sports drinks, and even some fruit juices are often loaded with added sugars, which can cause a range of health problems, including weight gain, diabetes, and heart disease. By cutting back on sugary drinks and opting for healthier alternatives such as water, tea, or coffee, you can reduce your overall sugar intake and improve your digestive health. Additionally, drinking more water can help keep you hydrated and promote healthy bowel movements, while tea and coffee contain antioxidants that can provide additional health benefits. So, next time you're thirsty, try to reach for a healthier option and limit your intake of sugary drinks. Your digestive system will thank you. 5. Avoid packaged snacks. Avoiding packaged snacks is an essential step towards reducing your intake of processed foods and improving your digestive health. Chips, crackers, and other packaged snacks are often high in calories, salt, and sugar, and can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Instead of reaching for these types of snacks, opt for fresh fruits or vegetables, which are lower in calories and higher in nutrients, fiber, and other beneficial compounds that promote good digestive health. Fresh produce can also help keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Additionally, fruits and vegetables contain antioxidants and other compounds that can provide additional health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and improving immune function. So, next time you're feeling snacky, try to reach for a fresh fruit or veggie instead of a packaged snack. Your digestive system will thank you. 6. Try new recipes. Trying new recipes is an excellent way to make mealtime more enjoyable and help you avoid processed foods. Experimenting with new recipes that use whole ingredients can be a fun and rewarding experience that can help you discover new flavors and cooking techniques. By using whole ingredients in your recipes, you can ensure that you are getting all the essential nutrients your body needs for optimal digestive health. Additionally, cooking at home allows you to control the amount of salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats that go into your meals, which can further promote good digestive health. So, next time you're feeling uninspired in the kitchen, try to search for new recipes that use whole ingredients and experiment with new flavors and cooking techniques. Your digestive system will thank you, and you may even discover some new favorite recipes along the way. 7. Plan your meals. Planning your meals is an excellent way to ensure that you have healthy ingredients on hand and avoid last-minute fast food runs. By making a meal plan for the week, you can ensure that you have a variety of whole foods on hand to create nutritious and satisfying meals. Meal planning can also help you save time and money by reducing food waste and avoiding the need to eat out or order takeout. When planning your meals, try to incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to ensure that you are getting all the essential nutrients your body needs for optimal digestive health. You can also use meal planning as an opportunity to experiment with new recipes and flavors. So, next time you're planning your meals, take some time to create a meal plan for the week and ensure that you have healthy ingredients on hand. Your digestive system will thank you. 8. Use herbs and spices. Using herbs and spices is an excellent way to flavor your food without relying on packaged seasonings and sauces. Many herbs and spices have powerful health benefits and can help support good digestive health. For example, ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe digestive discomfort, while garlic has antibacterial properties that can help protect against harmful gut bacteria. Additionally, using herbs and spices can help reduce your intake of added salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats that are often found in packaged seasonings and sauces. So, next time you're cooking, try to experiment with different herbs and spices to add flavor and variety to your meals. Not only will your taste buds thank you, but your digestive system will benefit from the added nutrients and health benefits of herbs and spices. 9. Limit processed meats. Limiting your intake of processed meats like bacon and sausage is an essential step towards improving your digestive health. Processed meats are often high in sodium and can be difficult to digest, leading to bloating, constipation, and other digestive discomfort. Additionally, consuming large amounts of processed meats has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, cancer, and other health problems. To promote good digestive health, try to limit your intake of processed meats and replace them with leaner protein options, such as grilled chicken, fish, or legumes. These options are lower in sodium, higher in fiber, and easier to digest, making them a healthier choice for your digestive system. So, next time you're thinking of having bacon or sausage for breakfast, try to opt for a healthier protein option instead. Your digestive system will thank you. 10. Be mindful of portion sizes. Being mindful of portion sizes is an important step towards promoting good digestive health. Even healthy foods can be problematic if you eat too much of them, leading to digestive discomfort and other health problems. Portion control can help you avoid overeating and maintain a healthy weight, which is essential for good digestive health. When it comes to portion control, it's important to pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness signals and to eat slowly and mindfully. Try to avoid distractions like TV or your phone while eating and take time to savor the flavors and textures of your food. Additionally, using smaller plates, bowls, and utensils can help you eat smaller portions without feeling deprived. So, next time you're eating, try to be mindful of your portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger and fullness signals. By practicing portion control, you can promote good digestive health and maintain a healthy weight. Thank you for watching this video on reducing your intake of processed foods for better digestive health. We hope that the tips we shared have been helpful to you and that you feel inspired to make positive changes in your diet. Remember, taking small steps towards a healthier lifestyle can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. So, whether it's cooking from scratch, choosing whole foods, or being mindful of portion sizes, every little bit counts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on health and wellness. See you in the next video.